Once you get to using Excel, you'll know you want to do something, but you can't remember how. You can find anything when you Google it. So the main thing is to know what you want to know, because you will be able to find an example if you Google it. You need to know how to read the instructions. So if you see instructions that say they look like this, insert table, pivot table, what that means is go up here to the menu, insert, and then down here look for the table tab, and then there you will find pivot table. And so that's the way they give you instructions for how to get started on doing something if you look up on the web to see, how do I do this? When you're going to make a Excel workbook or make a spreadsheet, you want to save it before you do too much work, because you could lose everything if the computer shuts off or if you accidentally hit something you didn't know. So the first thing you want to do is save this, give it a name. We don't want to do it that way. So under File, see there's Save and Save As. The first time you save it, you need to use Save As, because that allows you to name it. Now it's very important that you know where you're saving it. So Browse takes you to your computer, and then you choose where do you want to save this file. And one of the most common problems people have is they save and they don't know where they're saving something, and then they can never find it again. Or they end up with two versions of something because they've saved it in two different places. And so you pay attention when you save it. The first time you save, you do a Save As, you browse, and you walk to where you want to save it. So, and it'll tell you up here, and then you give it a name. So I'll just name this Sample. And notice there's a pull down menu here for Save As Type. You can save it all these different ways. You can save it as a PDF. If you save it as a PDF, it should be when you're finished, and maybe you need to PDF it because you've got to submit it somewhere, and it has to be a PDF. You would just finish what you're doing and then save as PDF. Sometimes you need to save it as CSV for whatever reason, like other programs will accept a CSV file, but they won't accept an Excel file. You can save it as text. But we're going to save this as an Excel workbook, and then you just save. And now, after we've worked in it, you just need to save. So you can either go here and save, which saves it right where you put it, or this little picture of a floppy disk, which is what they used to have in the olden days. You can click on that, and that's a quick way to save.